If you're Asian and you want ski goggles that fit, then maybe you need Asian Fit ski goggles. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I like skiing every once in a while. I don't love it, so I do it every few years. And I usually take out goggles, but they get fogged up, they let air in, I get snow in my eyes, and you think, well, why would a goggle do that? Isn't that the whole point? And the reason is, as an Asian, I have a really flat nose bridge, and most goggles are apparently made for like a Caucasian face or noses with larger bridge. So I have just put up with it for many years until I discovered the fact that they make Asian Fit snow goggles. Now, I've tried some in the past and they've been pretty good, and they've definitely convinced me that I should be using Asian Fit snow goggles, but I thought I would try to get a little bit nicer pair of goggles. Now, this is made by Smith. It's a name that you will probably recognize in the snow goggle business. It says they are the Prophecy OTG over the glasses, which I wear. And I thought I would just check them out, see how they fit. Now, they are pretty cool. They have like that sunburst color on there. You can definitely get them with different finishes. It gives you some reflectivity and, you know, protection for your eyes. It gets very bright out there. And you can see here that this has like a gloss black plastic perimeter, not the Revo style that look almost like an aviator helmet. So you can get a little bit of, you know, protection here on the lens. You can see we have some vent holes up at the top, right up there, and then you can see we have foam. The foam right here is kind of very thin, and again, that's all venting for letting out heat out of the top or steam. And then we have a nice thick foam that goes all the way around, and that foam continues right here. That's pretty ill. You can see on the inside it's kind of this nice microfiber fabric. It says Smith right there. Pretty cool. And what you might be able to tell is that we have really tight fit foam here, so it doesn't allow for a huge nose bridge. So hopefully that will press up right against mine and create kind of an airtight seal so that I don't have a gap when I'm skiing. Now, that's what it looks like inside. So you can see the color distortion isn't bad. You do have a stretchy elastic Smith headband. And on the inside, you might not be able to see it here, but we have a strip right in the middle that is kind of that tacky rubber, so that's going to hold it in place, especially if you're using this over a helmet. That's going to brace it up against the plastic of the helmet and keep that in place. Then on the back, what we have are an adjustment strap right here, as well as right here, and then kind of a hook clasp, right? So you can put that on. So put it on around a really big helmet, kind of thread it in a helmet hook if you have that. It also comes with a little drawstring bag if you want to carry it. Sometimes these OTG goggles have a little cut right here where the glasses arm will fit through. This does not look like that has it, but what I can tell you is that it has a cut on the plastic. So if I keep pressing right here, you can see that the plastic, the frame, goes right up to here, and then there's a cutout, and then the plastic starts right up here. So from right about here to here, there's kind of an opening. So I think that'll allow you to kind of have your glasses arm be held in by just the foam as opposed to having plastic really pressing on it. Now, let's see if they work. Yeah. Listen, they are very comfortable. I don't even have them tightened up here. I could probably do that, get them a little tighter. But tell you what, the nice thing is the foam presses right up to my nose. It's not even like heavy pressure, but it's just touching it, which is great. So now I won't have that leak right there of air or snow or even my breath exhaling and getting caught up in there and then fogging up my glasses. So I love the fact that Asian Fit exists. It's about time. Hey, if you want to pick up these goggles, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.